So, some time ago, we talked about AI alongside marketplaces and how AI tools have been used to generate tons and tons of content that are sold on marketplaces. Of course, there's a whole thing about platforms like DivineCut and ArtStation accepting and also asking creators to label these things, and we've seen a huge set of packs, especially reference and material packs made by AI, and they're now sold on marketplaces. And the folks at Cubebrush, which is an amazing place where you can find a good number of 3D models, materials, tools, 2D images, and so much more, are taking a stance on AI. Of course, we've talked about Cubebrush and the fact that they continually give weekly content, and you can find tons of things from there, which we're going to talk about later in the video. Now for this, they've actually changed their upload policy and are also taking a big stance towards AI content, especially for creators on their marketplace. And this is quite interesting, especially for creators looking for a platform that has nothing to do with AI. And their stance is pretty simple, as they've actually gone ahead to say that we've seen an increased number of products generated with the help of AI popping up on Cubebrush recently. So wanted to make our stance clear moving forward and provide a solution to the growing problem. And one thing they've consistently done is to actually deny new creators with AI portfolios applying to open new stores. And they've also come up with a countermeasure by manually hiding these products from their marketplace. Of course, right here, you would also notice that they mentioned it within the hidden products and also said that hidden products can still be accessed through a direct link, but will not show on the marketplace nor on the creator store. Essentially, they become invisible to Cubebrush. So in that sense, creators may still be able to upload AI-generated content, but should understand that they will not show anywhere on Cubebrush to get any visibility. However, direct links to such products would need to be shared externally. Now to combat this, they've now come up with a couple of interesting approaches. And these three approaches has to do with either you're uploading and specifying that you're uploading an AI related or a content that was made with AI, which will automatically get it hidden, except you simply share a direct link, which of course we've already discussed here. If you choose not to identify that, this will be deleted and will not be hidden. So in that sense, you just don't want to do this particular one. Furthermore, if you skip this route and continually upload content that has to do with AI, you'll be permanently banned from the platform, which means that you would no longer be able to upload or even create a store on the platform anymore, which I think no one would want to actually fit into this box. Folks at Cubebrush have also mentioned that we are confident that these changes will ensure that you will always be able to shop with confidence on Cubebrush, knowing you're always getting quality human-made products. And yes, there's a ton of cool stuff that you can get on Cubebrush right now. So for those who haven't been on this platform, there's just a ton of things that you can get right here, and they look pretty cool. And most of them you can get for free or for an extremely discounted price. So right here, if you're looking for poses or figures that you can use as references for maybe lights and stuff, there's a single light source reference pack that comes with quick gestures of poses that deals with over 250 plus references that you can work with. And of course, you can simply claim all of these by simply dialing in 0, click on Get It Now, and you can get the basic license. And once you have that, you can now proceed to download this and get it for keeps. And this is one of the so many things that you can get on Cubebrush right now. So there's also a ton of free assets that you can get right now. And for this particular week, they've got about 6 of them. So if you're looking for a Photoshop symmetry tool, there is one right here. You can simply come through and download them. And you would like to get the basic license, you can simply go ahead and grab that. The same thing can also be said for the natural fog as well. So if you like to get this, you can simply get it. And you can also do the same thing for the Shuri topo in Maya 2017 with update 3. You can also go ahead and put a 0 key right there. And then you can get it for personal use. And for those who are looking for a chunky material, you can get that. If you're looking for a ZBrush pack as well, you can get it. And if you're looking for stylized Basemesh, you can also get this stylized Basemesh. I believe all of these you can get totally for free. So if you come through to get it, you need to click on Get Now, and you can get it at this point. Now, one thing to keep in mind with most of the free things that they have on Cubebrush is most of these, they do elapse their time. So if you like to get any of this, you need to come through and get it. I guess if it hits about 100 people per day, you'll not be able to get it. You have to wait till the next day for you to be able to get it. So that is one thing to keep in mind. So if you would like to get any of these ones, you can definitely come through and pick these ones up. I guess this is for $1. They've also got some nice stylized free ones as well. So you can also come through, pick these ones up if you want. There's also this Basemesh, which I believe is also for $3. Let's see if we can get this for free. yeah, we can get it for free and get the basic license. So these ones are right here. So you can come through, pick these things up and start working with them. There's also this very cool tutorial that they've got for those who are into creating stuff. So maybe you're into, clothing and stuff like that. They've got a ton of tutorials right here. They've got a ton of assets as well. So you can come through, check these ones out. Most of these ones are free. I'm going to put links to these things in the description so you can come through and check them out. And of course, there is a ton of things that you can get on Cubebrush right now. Now, for those who are looking for more free content, we already covered a video where we talked about some free tools and also free assets that you can get on the channel. I'm going to also put links to that in the description just in case you're thinking about getting that alongside these other links that I've just talked about. So this is it. Cubebrush is taking a huge stand on AI. Alongside that, there are free stuff that you can get on the platform right now. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you to grab these and start working with them. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.